pile of pussy.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Hey everybody. I wanted to show you the new guys. This one
Has Down syndrome.
believe it or not, this one looks just like my cat before he went cross-eyed and shit. I haven't really seen much of this one yet. He's new. Here, get the fuck down. Get the fuck out of here. He just kind of sleeps. I mean, he doesn't really do anything. I don't know if any of these are girl or boys, but good cat. And this is Smeagol.
Did you say Smeagol?
Smeagol. This is Gollum. Take a look at his fucking eyes, dude. Wah! Hi.
Yup.
I wanted to show you them, and
There's another one.
show you the other little faggots. This is my cat. He's the shit. Come here, you fat fuck. This is Screech.
Hi.
What's up, homie? He's my cross-eyed little fuck. But he's cool, huh? That's Beanie. That's the mother of the horde. The one he's but quit videoing her pissing off, dude. The one he's getting video of pissing all off, that's Stimpy. She mothered the little ones. Here's Niggity. Hey. Really? Hey, talk for the camera. Hey, you. Teddy. Talk for the camera, fuckhead. He said, hell no, you smell like that smoke.
You done?
Well,
Or we got more?
there are three more fuck faces around here. Teddy! You know where poop is?
Ran from me earlier because I fucked up street not knowing my legs again.
One of them's all poopy and shit, but I don't know where he's at. Are you scared of the camera?
He's camera shy.
You fat bastard.
Camera shy.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
Yeah, I'm pretty much done. I ain't finding the other ones.
Have fun.
If you want a cat, let me know. I got 3 little ones. You can fucking have them.
Don't forget you'll ship them in a Ziploc baggie.
I ain't got nothing else to say, dude. I'm done.